Hey everybody, welcome back to the Barefoot Bonsai Ranch. I'm going to show you the easiest way to get a pre-bonsai here. I find stuff around the property all the time that I look at and I'm like, hey, that's a little bonsai tree. So this, if you get in here, I'll just move some of this out of the way. I try to do this whole video with one hand. Look at this little maple. This is a red maple, and look at that trunk. How cool is that, like, spiral trunk? I just found this. This was in a bunch of, this is just a wood pile, just stuff to burn, and he kind of grew up in here. So I'm going to show you the easiest way to get a bonsai out. So you just get in here, got my trowel, and we're going to dig around the outside. And what I'm doing is I'm pushing in. You guys have seen me do this before. Push in and go wiggle it a little bit like that, and then you get in the other side, get in the other side. We want to get far enough out. Sometimes, depending on the size of the tree, you can tell where the roots are, but with the maples you don't need to get a root clump out because they're pretty tight with their roots. So we just need to wiggle the tree loose. If we can do that, then we just pull lightly, not to disturb any roots, and look at that. Beautiful. Now what we're going to do, grab our trowel, and we're going to bring this beautiful little root clump over here to our pre-filled pot. So I always drag a few of these around the yard with me when I'm doing this. But look at that, it looks like a carrot, right? We'll take this little chunk of dead stuff off of there, and then what we're going to do, that pot's going to be perfect for it. And just get some of that dirt out so that the tree can fit. Set it in there, make sure all the roots are where the dirt can get to them. And wow, this is tough to do with one hand. Usually I hold it up with another finger. Let's see if I can do that and still film. Oh, look at that. That's pro style. So we'll get the rest of the dirt, toss it in there, push it down, get some more from another pot, push it all in there, make sure all the roots are covered. And you're done. Look at that. Super easy little maple tree, pre-bonsai with this cool spiral trunk. Absolutely love it. This is totally going to be Literati style with that long spiral trunk. And she a beaut. That's that. Super easy, super quick. You could do this 200 times a day and get a ton of little trees. Look at that guy. I just wanted to pan out and show you guys why this was the perfect place for this kind of twisted trunk Literati style maple to grow. So you can see as the sun is coming through, it's different throughout the day because of all these massive trees that are over this area. So basically it's making all these sunspots all over the place, and the tree twists up to try to find the sun throughout the day and throughout the years. That one was probably there for about a couple of years, and it has to twist up to find its way, and it was right over here. So it was like the perfect spot to get that nice twisted look. So here is again the tree that we pulled out, that beautiful twisted trunk maple, and that's why these are the kind of places where you can find pre-bonsai, pre-literati trees out there in nature, out there maybe even on your own property. So guys, thank you for watching the Barefoot Bonsai Ranch. God bless, and stay green.